What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. And today, I figured I was going to talk on an issue that's not very easy to talk about, but I've seen it in the news. I'm sure a lot of you guys know about it. It's the George Floyd case. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the like button below. You can also share this video with some friends, or be one of my many subscribers. I'd really appreciate it. So anyway, an obstruction of justice, a case where I really felt like the police had done something that was totally inappropriate and wasn't registered as protocol. Because I can honestly believe that there's racism in this world, and I didn't think that this cop did his job right. I don't really think. Really, you want to take a guy who's already arrested and fucking choke him? That's not really what we do. He was already screaming out like, "I'm choking, I can't breathe." So throughout history, I've seen a lot of these cases. Of course, I'm just a random YouTuber. But I will stand out, and I will talk about issues that we have. I'm very disappointed in the way that this case turned out, the way that what happened to George. This guy should be able to fucking live. He should be able to have a life. He should be able to go back to his wife and kids. But now, an officer has messed that up, and I feel like this is something that I don't feel like this should happen. It shouldn't happen like this. It should never happen like this. And if I'm right, something like this is totally off the grid. So this officer already had multiple suspensions. I saw a TikTok video the other day. Well, I've actually seen two of them that kind of reached out. I posted on my Instagram. You can go check those out. But a lot of people have spoken out against Mr. Floyd, and I honestly believe, in my opinion, this is a supremacy issue. This is a minority issue. This is an obstruction of law enforcement, and honestly, I don't think this should be. It shouldn't have been like this, man. It breaks me. I don't understand why someone has to die because an officer can't control his doings, or he has no fucking concern. Come on, you guys pledged, to protect and serve, but it doesn't seem like you're really protecting people. A lot of people are out in fear nowadays. You can't even go to somebody's house. I can't even look at a cop and say, is he really serving me? Are they really doing their fucking job? Because it didn't seem like this in George Floyd's case. It really didn't. And so, I'm just going to say that I'm very disappointed in the way this case is. Trump has said that he will further investigate it. And I really hope he does. And I hope he doesn't mess this up. Because if he does, I'm not going to vote. And I'm going to be really pissed off if Trump messes this up. But yeah, the officer deserves to be in prison. He's already been suspended and fired. I don't know if there's two different things. But anyway, Mr. Floyd deserves every right in this world. Just like I deserve to walk down the street and see an officer and not have to be slammed to the ground and choked. So, in resolution, we have a problem. And until we find the solution, we will constantly live in fear and constantly be bureaucracied into a court system that has no justice and a tactical team of officers that have no concern. So if you believe in these rights, if you believe that this is the cause, then you can go subscribe and you can go support Mr. Floyd. I'm signing up.